How to remove debit or credit card on Uber Eats website. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and now search for ubereats.com. Once you are on this web page, you first want to sign into your account. For that, tap on the sign up option. Now on this page, you can sign into your account using your phone number or email, or you can also continue with Google account, Apple account or Facebook account, or you also have the option to log in using your QR code. I'm going to sign in using my Gmail account. Tap on the continue option. As you can see, I have signed into my account. Now the next step is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now from here, tap on the option of Wallet. Here you're going to find all of your saved payment methods. If you want to remove any one of that, you simply want to select the card that you like to delete, then tap on the delete card option, and then after the confirmation, your credit or debit card is going to be removed. However, one thing you have to remember is that your account must have at least one payment method at all times. If you wish to delete your only payment method, you will need to add a new one first. So to add a payment method, tap on the Add Payment Method option. Now from here, you can choose any of the option. I'm going to select credit or debit card. Now here, enter your card number. Then enter the expiry date of your credit or debit card. Now enter the security code. Then from all of these options, select your country. After that, add a postcode. Then add your nickname. However, this is optional. After all the information is done, tap on the Add Card option. Once another payment method has been added, you will be able to delete your only payment method from there. And this is how you can remove your credit or debit card on the Uber Eats website. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.